Okay, now this is thoroughly dry. I've let it dry for at least a week. What we will do, we will scribble a bit with the Neocolor tools, these crayons. They're wax crayons, and I just like to scribble when I start painting, even though these scribbles will always, or almost always, disappear. I use a lot of scribbling in my work, and I often use these Neocolors. I love them. Okay, and then I thought I would make a glaze. What I do with the glaze in oils and coldwax, I take a tiny bit of coldwax, sometimes no coldwax at all, and I mix it with the solvent-free gel. This is the solvent-free gel, which you can use, but you can also use calcite light or calcite. You mix in a bit of gel, and the gel makes it dry faster and adds to the transparency of the paint. But you have to take a transparent color to do a glaze. And I absolutely love this color. It's Indian yellow, which gives a glow to your painting. So be sure to take a transparent color. If you don't know if your color is transparent, check out my YouTube video, in which I explain how to find your opaque and your transparent colors. So this is oil and a tiny bit of cold wax and the gel, and we'll do a glaze, and you will see how beautiful it is, and it will change all the colors, but it won't change the values. And you will still see the scribbles because it's transparent. So this unifies the painting. The only disadvantage is it's better to let it dry before continuing. So with the acrylics, I've taken a Queen Gold, but it looks very much like the Indian yellow. And I'll mix in some cold wax. It's a bit redder. It's not as yellow. So, and then we'll see what this does. It's a fun experiment because you can see that it does give an effect, a very fun effect, but it's not the same as the oils. Okay, you can see the difference. Well, it's not the same color, so that doesn't help either, but you can see that this is shiny and richer than the acrylics, but the effect is very nice. What you can also do, but that's maybe it's going to be a bit of a mess, you can just try, it doesn't matter, is add a tiny bit of this transparent gel, but maybe I have to wait till it's dry. And this is acrylic ink, so it can't be used with the oils and the cold wax. Look, this gives a very nice transparency too. Then we will see if this, when it's dry, it's a bit richer. It's always beautiful when it's wet, but we'll see how it will dry. Okay, a tiny bit here, and then I let it dry. I stop playing. I think I prefer the ink to the paint. But let's let it dry and see what happens. I thought when I could add some ink here, I can add some ink in my oils as well. And this is the alcohol inks. Alcohol inks can be put on an oil and cold wax surface. We'll just do a tiny bit. Let's see. Oh, that's why I encourage everybody to play and experiment. Don't worry about the outcome. It's this way you learn lots of cool techniques. Look how beautiful that is. But I'm not sure if it will dry as beautiful, or will it dry flat? It is quite smelly, so you have to open the doors or the windows when you play with alcohol inks. I've put some alcohol in this spray bottle just to get it running again. They're starting to be different. We'll see when it dries. They're not supposed to be finished paintings. It's just the experiment, which is fun.
So now that I have compared the two cold waxes, the cold wax for oils and the water-based cold wax for acrylics, here's my verdict. I find it more satisfying to work with the oils in the cold wax medium because of its waxy consistency. The colors are richer and you can create greater depth in your paintings. However, I must admit I've become a huge fan of the cold wax medium for acrylics. While you can probably achieve the textures with other acrylic mediums, the beautifully transparent layers and the unique effects can, I think, only be achieved with this water-based cold wax medium. I'm currently preparing a full class on using water-based cold wax with acrylics, so be sure to sign up for the waitlist to get the info. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to help you advance in your painting journey. Until next time, bye for now.